I'm saying is that car that I just passed in the right lane, you see in the mirror there, got passed by a goddamn semi. That's how you know you're going slower and shit. The semi's cutting traffic. What the hell is going on today, Muskegon? What kind of crack are we all on? That Dodge in front of me passed me doing 70. How do I know? Because I was doing damn near 70 and they was, you know, in a 55. Granted, I was trying to race them a little bit. And I was like, oh wait, that's right, that lane ends. I'll stop being a douche. I know I can outrun it though, so I'll take that as a dub. Because he was, Jesus Christ, what is with that van? They're fucking trying to, like, get rear-ended by a semi or what? Even the guy in the fucking semi was like, dude, what the fuck? Dumbasses. I appreciate him for not running me down though. Oh man, even when the semi driver is getting into it, you know it's fucking dumb. I love truckers so much because they're just bikers in a cage. That's literally all they are, is bikers in a cage. That is the best way I can describe them. I'm allowed to have wholesome moments too with random strangers, alright? Leave me be. I'm behind a fucking van, some bitch. I just have to play the guessing game. Is it grandma and grandpa in a van, or is it like, it's grandma and grandpa in a van? Son of a bitch. Ain't nobody wanting to race, so granted it is only 1:30. All the kids are still in school or whatever. It's August, but all the kids are in school. That's my theory here. Oh, I see a Mitzi right there, and maybe they'll get into it. Or maybe the fucking tandem trailer will push them to the light. Because they're going slower than balls. Oh my god. What is with the fucking water today? Is everybody just gonna ride slower and shit and dumb as fuck? Ah! The handicap guy's passing you. You're doing something wrong. Normally them handicap people go slow as fuck in the left lane. Nah, not today. They're passing people. That's how you know you're going slower than goddamn dog shit coming out of a cold poodle. God damn it. I have not been down this road in 2 years. Ah, Christ. Come on, Gretchen, where's the fucking money to fix the roads you keep taking from us? Apparently not in this road. Look at geese, is it a... Oh, there's a ducks. I was gonna say swans is, but no, there's a ducks. No outlet that way, yeah, don't say. I'll whip a Yui down here. I'm just urban exploring now, I guess. I don't even know. That used to be a house, I think. Imagine being that house right there. Like, you're just out in the middle of the sticks. Literally. Alright, this is way too fucking narrow. How the fuck do people turn around down here? This is a dead end. Like, normally there's a fucking loop or some dumb shit. Nah, it's just a goddamn narrow ass road to a house. What the literal Sam hell fuck? Look at my favorite cat. Ah! Don't get me wrong, it'd probably be cool living out here, but man, what the fuck? I don't think I could ever make it in one of these cityscapes. I'm just not bueno out here. Do I need a pass to go park in here for like a second and check my phone? But order Muskegon City Heights one way. Fucking hell, what the hell kind of way is this? What is this shit? Where am I? How deep is this water? I asked a question. I'm not doing it. I'm just asking a fucking question. Because I see geese out there. I want to fucking find out how deep that shit is. I will go back this way. Man, I'm curious too. Fuck. Let me come back when I have the 14-inch rear suspension and +2 in the front. Then I'll find out. I promise you. As long as I can like look at it before it floods again, so I can kind of map out all these potholes, so I don't like swoosh in the water. That guy was giving me weird looks. I think he knows I was talking to myself that whole time. Probably, man, what a weirdo. Granted, I'm talking to y'all, but on the outside, it looks like I'm talking to myself. Ha! Opposite lane to avoid the fucking potholes. Woo! Michigan in a nutshell. I could go across right here, and I would be in the heights, and I would probably get shot for being white. Or for having a motorcycle that's big vroom vroom. I wish that was a lie. Don't you fucking do it. That's Muskegon for you. Whack. I am so not fucking following you guys. That is sketchier than hell. Why in the fuck would you be like, hey, come here. I don't know who you are. Nah, fuck you. That's going the wrong town. Wrong way. Fuck no. I am good. Yo, that's how you get your shit taken. Hey, nobody take a strip from this fucking white boy. Nah, fuck that. I am super good. That was definition of come get jumped by the 5 people in this car that are laying down. And I ain't got no gun on me today, so I be stabbing motherfuckers. So I do have my knife. That's all I got though. Fuck that. Fuck that. Fuck that. And the fucking circumstances and the scenario right there, and just how that played out, whack. Man, fuck that. I am super good not to get involved in that situation. And now I'm gonna post it to YouTube and be like, ooh, look at this content. Oh man, the shit you see in this goddamn city. Most of the time it's interesting shit. Oh, yeah, that could have been closer than it probably looks. Dude, today's been fucking interesting. This whole ass place is fucking sketchy as shit. Not this place. City overall is sketchy as shit. Don't take anything from strangers. Like, unless you know for a fact they're not going to be sketchy. Like, if they're wearing, like, Church of Jesus. I've seen them wearing Church of Jesus, run faster. But if they're wearing something that, a motherfucker. Motherfucker. You motherfucker. Here I was saying I love truck drivers earlier. Now you motherfucker. Motherfucker. Oh, well, at least you got the speed. I'm not too pressed. Now, if it takes forever to fucking turn, I'll be pressed. Okay, what are you doing? Did it turn? I don't see them going yet. I'm going. Fuck it. If Mac Daddy Semi is going, I'll go.